Now it's time to eat more vegan. It's better for the environment, it's better for the animals, and it's better for our health. Yeah. Do you want to reduce meat, sugar, dairy, or gluten? I know you want to. Let's go. This book is also for you if you have food allergies, sensitivities, intolerances, or if you just want to expand your food repertoire. Maybe you are yearning to feel better in your skin. This book is full of great ideas made for ordinary people, real humans like me and you. I made this book because I wanted to eat healthy and because I cared about the environment and the animals, and I wanted to enjoy eating healthy all at the same time. And it doesn't have to be boring and depressing, it can be exciting and wonderful. Over 120 recipes, yeah, that are also gluten-free. Did you think eating gluten-free is going to deprive you of all those delicious foods that you love? Well, it's not true. You don't have to suffer. There is a plethora of wonderful ingredients available to us nowadays, and you can even keep it local and seasonal, full of flavor and good juju. For the latest Christmas special offer, check out galasorganickitchen.com. In this book, you will find a multicultural fusion of wonderfully exciting, versatile, colorful recipes, all made with love. Climate positively printed. All the CO2 emissions in the production of this book are offset by 110%. This is eco-printing at its best. And the ink is palm oil free and vegan. So what are you waiting for?